cabbage. And this one is a stem of a mushroom, so we can have a flavor of mushroom. So this is our menu for today. Yes, wait and we will see. First time magluluto po tayo nito, so tingnan natin kung anong kalalabasan. Add more ingredients: bell pepper, so cabbage, mushroom, bell pepper, and onion is coming. Ayan na po siya. Ay, nako, ang dami pong bisita. Mga bisitang hindi imbitado, dumarating. So, we will put an egg in here. Hindi ko alam kung magkakasya siya dito or what. Pero, isasali natin siya sa malaking container. I put 5 eggs. Nakalimutan ko pong yan. Na-mix ko na yung iba kasi. Yan. So, nauna na yung 4. Yan. I will add a salt and black pepper in here. Ano ba itong langaw na to? Fly ng fly. Fly, fly. Okay. Ayan po yung burger ko. Nilagyan ko na nire-recta ko na. Hindi ko alam, ayaw mabuo ng burger. Ano ibabaliktad natin. Hindi natin alam kung anong mangyari. Abangan ang susunod na kabanata. Ayan na po ang nangyari. Ang giniling, iginisa na lamang. Hindi na ho naging burger. Yan, ilagay po natin. And then, saka na lang natin pagpatungin. Parang magiging sandwich na lang dito. So, hopefully, maging magandang. Sabi naman po ng partner ko ay yummy. So, ang importante po, masarap. Patong na lang natin yan sa ibabaw. And let's put in the plate. Tada! Ganyan naman. Okay, and bam! Ayan. Ayan po ang kinalabasan ng ating tacos. Tacos na hindi mo maintindihan. O yan. Okay na yan. So this one will be like burger.
And this may sound weird, but
sandwich
all that crap is BS.
Repolyo
because who you are is determined by
this one is like a tacos. So yan. Very messy, but it's okay.
Yeah, it's fine. It's got the...
Have 6 eggs and more salsa. Do you want the mustard sauce?
Yes, please.
Okay, he's making his burger. Burger tacos. Whatever it is, the important thing is it's delicious.
It's savory. It's very savory. It's delicious. It's filling. It satisfies.
You taste the cabbage. What's flavor you taste it?
Okay.
Okay, so he weighed 68.3 before he will eat. So let's see his first bite. Oh my God. He put everything in there.
This is a cream cheese mixed with the salsa, which I love the taste of that. And these are got my eggs, and then underneath I have some cream cheese there, you see. And then I have some mustard here.
Okay, let's see the first bite.
This will be basically the cabbage. Wow, really good. It's like a dirty keto. Dirty keto is where you mix a few vegetables like the tomatoes, the mustard.
Give me a bite.
Oh, this is amazing, baby.
I'm the one who will judge. Yeah, my God.
What?
It's like a very, very, very delicious burger.
Yeah. It's
I
really,
like it.
it's nice, isn't it? When you get a good burger, it's amazing. And so, yeah. Here we go. There's a little burger with the egg, and this will be with the salsa. Mm.
Did you forget your name?
5 Mabuhay stars.